Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. I'm very sorry about I haven't posted any video on this channel for so long because my time is pretty much packed with my son. I have posted some new videos on my first channel and on my Patreon. If you are interested, you could check it out. I have given the link in the description box. Today's video I want to share 2-ingredient popsicle. It's very easy and tastes really good. You only need 2 ingredients to make this milky popsicle. It's super easy, right? Milk and marshmallow. Tastes really good. I actually had all of those. Try it out and please leave comments if you like this popsicle. Bye bye. I hope to see you guys in next video soon.